Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy to make barbecue sauce. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. My wife said it's such a short video I should make the list of ingredients a bit more interesting, so here we go. Those ingredients are 2 cups of tomato ketchup, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white wine or red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder. The next ingredient is sriracha hot chili sauce. The amount you put in depends on how much fuss your wife's going to make. And lastly, half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. And to make the sauce, simply put all the ingredients in a suitably sized saucepan, bring up to a simmer and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. And when the 10 minutes are up, remove from the heat, allow it to cool, and that's one batch of barbecue sauce ready. I know I said how much sriracha you put in is dictated by how much your wife moans. But 1 teaspoon, I ask you, the woman's clearly demented. Demented she may be, but she's the one that brings me my coffee in bed in the mornings. So 1 teaspoon it is. But you strike a blow for all chili lovers and put as much damn sriracha in your sauce as you want. And remember, a day without sriracha is like a day without sunshine. I know it's supposed to be a day without wine is like a day without sunshine, but you won't let me have any bloody wine either. I spend so many days without sunshine, it's like living on the bloody North Pole in winter. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.